what?
No, I'm doing a roll call.
Okay.
All right, bud.
Good afternoon. This is Carl with GT.
Hey, Carl, this is Daniel with 201 Truck Repair. Hey, where are you at over here by the Flying J?
I'm actually in the Flying J parking lot.
What's the name of the company on the side of that truck?
I have two. I got an oversized banner on the front bumper and on the back of the trailer.
All right, bud. I'll be there in just a second. Hey, I was calling you back regarding the truck right here in Jackson that was broke down in the parking lot. Okay, he's got electrical problem going on with the front bumper radar and the ABS system in it. I checked all the fuses is good. He installed a CV in that truck and something shorted out somewhere. So he said it started Saturday and he installed a CV and now he's been having problems with it since then.